just a couple of minutes.
All right, Amanda, thank you for the update. The Black Law Student Association at Faulkner University is hosting a free legal clinic this Friday, on campus. And the president, Amira Calhoun, along with attorney Adele Underwood, would join us to talk more about that. Ladies, thanks for coming in today.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, thank you for having us.
Yeah, good to have you guys in today. First off, let's talk a little bit about the Black Law Student Association at Faulkner.
Oh, yes. So we are the Ernestine S. Sapp chapter of the Black Law Students Association. And basically, we provide a safe space for Black and Brown law students while they're in school. We offer professional support, academic support, and personal and social support for those students to be able to have a fulfilling experience in law.
There's a legal clinic coming up. Let's talk about some of the topics that will be addressed. What are we going to be discussing there?
The legal clinic is exclusively for expungements. You can get expungements for misdemeanors or felonies, but on this Friday we're doing expungements solely for misdemeanor offenses within the state of Alabama.
Remind folks now about expungements. If they're not sure what that means, but they may have an issue with that. What does that entail?
So with an expungement, if you have been charged, arrested, or even convicted of a misdemeanor offense, you can submit a petition to the state to have that taken off of your record, essentially. It's like a clean slate for you, which is one of the reasons why the students brought this to our attention to have it, because it's something important for our community. We want to give them a second chance to allow them to, just do better moving forward.
As an attorney, why is it important for you to be able to help in a situation like this?
Well, access to justice is a real thing, and sometimes members of our community just get caught up. Sometimes things happen, and sometimes people are arrested and nothing happens of it. Sometimes they're arrested and something does happen of it. But we want to offer the opportunity to our community members to have that second chance so they can do better. We all want to be the best version of ourselves for our community.
Amira, the event is on campus. Let's talk about when, where folks want to show up, what they need to know.
Oh, yeah. So the event will be tomorrow, Friday, March the 8th, at Faulkner University's Rotunda building. So when you come on campus, there will be signs out there to direct you all to where you need to go. But it'll also be from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m.
Is there anything that folks show up need to bring with them when they come?
Not necessarily. If you have a valid photo ID, please bring that with you. But if not, still come. Don't let the photo ID thing stop you.
Adele, remind folks too, if they're concerned or worried about meeting with an attorney, sometimes it can be a little scary meeting and not knowing really where you want to go or what you want to do. Put them at ease a little bit about coming out and talking to you guys.
Right, we're just here to help. Whether you know if you qualify or not, you can come to us. We're going to have a team of students, a team of attorneys, and other legal professionals there to answer your questions. If you don't know if you qualify, we can look your information up. We just need to know where you were charged, possibly what you were charged with, but if you don't have that information, we'll still do our very best to assist you. We want to give you the most information that we can, so if you want to come to us, we're here to help.
Amira, remind folks one more time what time to show up and where to be there.
It's going to be tomorrow, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. at Faulkner University's Rotunda building.
Ladies, thanks so much for coming in and sharing. Hopefully you have a good crowd out there to get some good legal advice from you guys.
Oh, yes, thank you so much.
Thank you guys for coming in today and joining us on Alabama Live.